We got Coltrane. He's up at the south end with the engine. The DPU's already come by. But I'm going to do some more explanation. Plate F is a document that they have that says what size Plate F cars are supposed to be. You know, how tall, how long, how wide. And you don't have a pickup shoe on this car, but this is saying see pickup shoe decal, BL and AR corners. BL is the brake end, left hand side, and that's where the brake wheel is and all that. That's the brake end. And the AR is that end, the opposite end of the brake is the A end of the car. And it's on the right, but anyway, there are no pickup shoes on here, so that's a meaningless writing right there. Let me see. This car was built in 2007. It's got DB10 and DB20. I'm not exactly sure what that is. Is that supposed to be the date built 10, date built 20, and then built 107? I don't know. This is made by Trinity Rail. Extreme width is 10'8" at 13'6", so that means it's 10'8" up there at the top. Extreme exterior width is 10'8". Cubic feet is 4,207 cubic feet. Interior length is 48 foot 2 inches. And there it goes. It explains this car exceeds plate F when pickup shoe is in extended position, but is within plate B when the gag shoe depress and insert 1/2 inch diameter pin and lug at rear of shoe. Extreme width with shoe extended is 11 foot 2 inches at 32 inches above top of rail. 2-inch high friction composition shoes. That's them plastic ones. They're good until they get hot and start melting on you. I can't read that. I don't know what it's saying. L-Bond 2021. I don't see any of these cars down here that got the plates on them to open these doors with. Got one down there just past the 440. I see one hanging down on that car. I wonder why he's going backwards. He's knocking off the brakes and the cars are rolling backwards. That's just slack action. So he's gonna pull his piston off so his brakes are off. He's just holding them with the locomotive. I wonder if he's tying this train down. I don't know. I figure he might have another train he's going to meet. There's a reason he stopped. I'm going to go down here and check the signals out, y'all. Alright, we got red over red on the side and then red over red on the main line. Since the coal train's sitting on the main line, I'm looking at the side. We don't have anything coming north according to the signals. So I don't know. I guess he just stopped and parked. No crew for the train. Alright, we got 3206 in the lead and 4552 on the bottom engine here. I assume they're waiting here. I don't know if they're going to tie it down or not. Yeah, they got tied down. I see the handbrakes over there tied down. So they're parking this train. There's the engineer up there. See him on the engine. I see the chain's tied up. He's got the piston pulled out. He's come down there and tied these handbrakes. They're parking this train. So I guess we're going to be here a while. He's going to, I don't know why he's sitting here, why he didn't pull him on down to the signal. I'm thinking he might be going to change crews. He might be getting off here. But I don't know, they're still sitting up there. I guess they got to finish up their paperwork and their inspections and stuff that's all supposed to be done on their trip. Make sure all the paperwork is right. I'm going to cut it off and wait for them to come out in a little bit. That's a SD70 MAC. It's got the isolated cab and it's an AC locomotive. Now I've seen a bad wreck one time with isolated cab. It just folded up. It wasn't, I don't think they're too safe. I don't like them. So far, no updates yet. All right, we got ES44AH on the locomotive on the front. The crew hasn't got off yet. All right, thank you. I wonder what they hit to knock the bell off. Looks like they got a couple of scratches up there. I mean, not the bell, that light fixture. That's a yellow light that whenever the train goes into emergency, that light will light up to let any passing trains know that he went into emergency. And they got to slow up and look for cars that might be derailed. Because sometimes when a train goes into emergency, the train will derail. All right, thank y'all. All right, stop signal on the main line in the side and south of Abbeville. We got 839 at ES44AH sitting here. And look at this one. Honoring our law enforcement. CSX Pride in Service to protect and serve. Got fire department, police department, emergency service. Locomotive 3194, Spirit of Law Enforcement. ES44AH. Got American flags up on the window. I'm glad it's sitting still, not going by at 45 miles an hour. 911 emergency, first responders. Operation Attitude. It's got radial trucks on it. It's got a lower shelf Type F coupler. The tank car there's got an upper shelf Type F coupler. Well, I think that's beautiful. It's not running right now. It's shut down. And this is this train, and the coal train I filmed earlier is gone. Looks like all I'm going to get is sitting trains today. But yeah, I want to take pictures of this one, 3194. Looks beautiful. I'm going to step back and film it a little bit. All right, I'm standing in where the depot used to be. CSX locomotive. But it doesn't have the name on there anywhere. All right. Thank y'all.